Huge day overall in here in MU. We're on the weekly chart, as you can see. Just a breakout, no matter how you put this thing, no matter where you put your trend lines, just a big breakout in here. All-time highs. We're actually trading up in that 183 handle as we're making this video right now here in after hours. Where's that going to put us tomorrow? Well, we're not really sure, right? You have about a $6 expected move priced in by Friday's expiration. So basically 190 is on the table, but also you can go down to 177, back to that 172 handles if we get an outlier move in here, where we were early this morning. So kind of everything's on the table for the next few days. It depends on how much of a pullback we're going to get in here. Whenever you overexhaust yourself, especially you have a $180 stock and you just move $15 basically more or less in one day. That's including pre and post market. That's just a huge move overall. You're looking at almost a 10% move just in one day in a $180 stock. So a pullback obviously is coming. The problem is how much is going to happen, right? I mean, obviously we're still climbing here in after hours, but with the market kind of where it's at all-time highs, everything kind of needs to take a breather. The question is when and how much is it going to happen? So obviously we don't want to try to catch anything here, just, you know what I mean, be contrarian just because, but we want to let this thing come back down to us overall. So on the chart, we're going to be looking at nice resistances of whole numbers 185, 190. We're going to chalk it up to those 200s as well. That is going to be big psych levels for us in here going forward as resistances. On the downside, for our supports, we're looking at that high that we clocked in today, 182.39. That is going to be a support. Anything below there, you're looking at this upper this previous upper trend line that's trading right around at that 172 handle. And then anything below there, you're looking at 170s. That's going to be kind of our longer term supports here on the weekly chart. So overall, just a huge move. Don't chase anything if it doesn't look good to you in here. That is kind of what we're looking at. Obviously, overextended, obviously huge move in one day. So the question is when and how, right? When is this thing going to pull back? And then how much? $6 expected move leaves a lot of levels on the table for the next few trading sessions. Obviously, calls were killing it in here today. So we'll see what happens as we continue throughout the week in here. And we're going to see where this candle ends up in Micron. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.